Hello traders, hello investors, how are you guys doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today Tesla is going up nicely 2.56%. It seems it is totally unstoppable, and in addition, today we are doing another bullish structure. Is there any top sign in Tesla? Could Tesla correct from here? If it does correct, should we panic? How far could we drop if Tesla triggers a top sign in this area? We're gonna talk about all of that in this video and more. Just remember, my dear friends, click on the like button to support this channel. If you're new around here, subscribe, because I'm here every single day keeping you guys updated on Tesla and on other stocks as well. If you wanna have access to more detailed information on Tesla and on other stocks, remember, subscribe the Market Dive daily newsletter. My newsletter here, for instance, this newsletter is from July 27. I always analyze SPY, one of the stocks we already analyzed here in this channel, but with more details, and a bonus stock. For instance, on July 27, we did analyze Coin when it was doing this bullish harami down here. Today, Coin hit our target. It is going up roughly 30% since my last recommendation. I think you guys are going to like the daily newsletter, the Market Dive daily newsletter. Seriously, I really recommend it. Now, back to Tesla. Guys, Tesla is just going up because it is a bull trend. Tesla is doing higher highs, higher lows, and it is heading to our target at 955. I still remember that when Tesla started reversing the trend, when Tesla did its first pivot point, bullish pivot point down here, many people say, oh Nathan, there is no way we're going to retest 955. We have a recession, we have inflation, we have many other problems. There is no way we're going to retest 955. But guys, you got to understand that the market, the stock market, is a leading indicator. It's not going to indicate what's happening right now or what happened in the past. The market will always run towards the future, towards what it expects it is the future. So, okay, we have some bad catalysts going on, but the question is, the real question is, how much of a recession, of the rates, of inflation, the market already priced it? That's the real question you should ask yourself before trading, before using macroeconomic catalysts to explain or to background your decision-making process while investing, all right? So we gotta be extremely careful because the market makes no logical sense in this, from this point of view. The market is a leading indicator. Do you guys remember COVID? When the pandemic started on March 2020, the pandemic didn't over on March 2020. It was just beginning, but the stock market kept going up. I can't count how many times I heard people saying that this was just a bear market rally, a dead cat bounce, and the S&P kept going up until this year, right? So yeah, we gotta be extremely careful with these assumptions. And speaking of the S&P, we are almost at our target at 4177. The Nasdaq index broke our target at 12.5K, and there is no top sign. And in Tesla, regarding Tesla, we are heading to 955. The volume is quite nice. I like that volume. It is very, very good. In the 1 hour chart, I told you guys a few days ago, yesterday to be more specific, I told you guys, if we lose the 885 along with the 21 EMA, I do believe Tesla will trigger a pullback. Only if we lose this dual support level. Tesla didn't, all right? Tesla is still clearly bullish. It's still above its support levels. So no pullback was triggered at all. So Tesla is just fine. It is still totally bullish. We have absolutely nothing to worry. Now, is there any chance that Tesla will correct from here? Well, yes, there is. But we gotta lose the previous support level in order to believe that a pullback will occur. Remember, trends persist until a clear reversal occurs. This is Dow theory, all right? It's the sixth tenet of Dow theory, if I remember correctly. So you may just Google it. Now, is there any reversal on Tesla? No, there is not a single reversal sign over here. Is there a top sign in Tesla? Not necessarily. Right now, if you ask me, only if Tesla loses the 885 again along with the EMA, I believe Tesla will trigger a pullback. If we lose the EMA, it will be our yellow sign because Tesla is losing strength. And then if we lose 885, all right, it's the trigger point of a pullback. If Tesla corrects, we have some key points to watch. We have this purple trend line in the 1 hour chart. We have this previous resistance level at 843, which could work as a support level in the future as well. In the daily chart, below the 843, we have the 21 EMA as well, which is right now at 804. It's going up nicely as time passes. So the support level is a dynamic support level, and it is going up with the time along with the price. This is quite good. It is the EMA, right? It's the 21 exponential moving average. So, okay, so far, even if Tesla triggers a pullback, we have too many support levels to hold Tesla's price if it starts dropping. Considering it is a bull trend, I find it very hard to believe Tesla will reverse if it starts dropping. Not only because we have too many support levels, but because we see no reversal structure in Tesla right now. We see a key point that could trigger a pullback, 885, all right. But a pullback is different than a reversal. Pullbacks are normal movements that occur in a bull trend or in a bear trend as well. But still, pullbacks are totally expected movements. So far, a pullback could be triggered. It was not yet, but it could be. But if it does, I believe it will be just another opportunity to buy because Tesla is in a bull trend. It will be an opportunity to buy because, well, it will be at a lower price level, at a cheaper price level, and it will be in a support level as well, indicating that the risk-reward ratio will be more attractive. So this is how I think in this situation, and I see no particular reason to change our target from 955 up here. I see no technical reason to believe we are not gonna hit there, even considering that Tesla could trigger a pullback in the next couple of days. I still see Tesla in a bull trend, so I still see our target being hit in the next few weeks, even if we see a pullback ahead, so 955 is still my target. In addition, we have what seems to be right now a possible flag or pennant pattern over here. See, these resistances are being connected by this purple trend line up here, and we have a clear support level at 855. The EMA is also working as a support level for us, so maybe this is a pennant chart pattern. This is the pole and this is the pennant. If we break this pennant upwards, I don't only believe we're gonna retest 955, but we have decent chances of breaking the 955. So right now, Tesla is indeed totally bullish. There is no top sign. There is no technical reason Tesla will drop from here. There is not a single bearish indicator telling us that Tesla will do a pullback right now, it will correct right now, or it's gonna reverse right now. There is nothing indicating. But we should keep our eyes open at these key points, at the possibility of a pennant and the 885 down here, which could trigger a sharper pullback if we lose this point. Right now, Tesla is just fine. It is just okay. I have been telling you guys the fact that we have catalysts like recession, rates, inflation are not going to be the main catalysts that are going to lead Tesla's price right now at this moment. It seems these catalysts are losing strength and that the market is trying to look for new things to make its movements right now, all right? So we gotta pay attention. We gotta keep your eyes open at these key points. Remember, subscribe, The Market Dive, trading newsletter for more deeper analysis for a premium content on Tesla and on other stocks. Subscribe this channel if you're new around here. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. Stay safe. Farewell.